Good morning children. Today we will do few numericals for the calculation of Kp, Kc and equilibrium concentrations. Previous class we had discussed the applications of Kc, isn't it? It was useful for predicting the extent of reaction, whether the reaction will move in forward direction or reverse direction. We had also seen that it was useful for the prediction of the concentrations of the reactants or the products at equilibrium. So, we will today be concentrating on the numericals, or we will be doing numericals based on calculation of Kc, Kp and equilibrium concentrations. Okay? So, different kind of questions we will do. See the first question. Also you should look into the textbook, and I am doing the questions here. Similar kind of questions you will find also in your textbook, as the solved question also, as the in text question also, and in the exercise question also. So, you should be trying out all these questions at home. Okay? So, first question, in a reaction between H2 and I2 at a given temperature, the amount of H2, I2 and HI at equilibrium were found to be 0.45 mole, 0.39 mole and 3 mole. Calculate Kc. This is your question. Now, first and foremost you should write the equation properly with, it should be balanced equation. Okay. Now, here the reaction is between H2 and I2. So, H2, I2 together it will give you what? 2HI. Okay. So, this is a balanced equation. है कि नहीं balanced है? देखो H 2 है, I 2 है, यहाँ पे भी 2H and 2I. So, it is a balanced equation. Now, at equilibrium the concentrations are given to you. Now, for this equation how can we write Kc? We can write Kc as HI square by H2 का concentration into I2 concentration. This is how you can write Kc. Okay. What is the concentration of HI given? Is it given? Yes, it is given, because at equilibrium we can write Kc for equilibrium only, for equilibrium state. So, at equilibrium concentration of HI, it is given as 3 moles, isn't it? H2, HI and H2, I2 and HI, it is 3 moles. So, 3. Okay. Now, concentrations you do not calculate as, we do not express it in terms of moles, we express it in terms of moles per liter. तो हमें volume नहीं पता है यहाँ पे, so we will simply put it as V. Now it becomes moles per liter या molarity हो जाएगा. It is 3 by V, value of HI concentration is 3 by V molar. Are you understanding? Okay. Now, what is the concentration of H2 given? We are not given concentration, but we know the number of moles of H2. Number of moles of H2 is 0.45 moles है, और volume हमें नहीं पता, so we will simply put it as V, this many molar. ठीक है? What is the concentration of I2? I2 concentration is 0.39 moles है, upon V ले लेते हैं, that many molar is the, तो हमें सबका concentrations मिल गया. Now, once you get the concentrations, you can substitute it and get the value for Kc. HI मतलब हमारे पास 3 by V है, so 3 by V the whole square हो जाएगा, because here it is raised to the stoichiometric coefficient होता है ना, तो it should be square, upon what is the concentration here? 0.45 by V, and here you have 0.39 by V. ठीक है? So, that becomes your Kc, it comes out as 9 by V square into V again V square, वो ऊपर चला जाएगा. Okay? So, it becomes V square into 0.45 into 0.39, cancel हो जाएगा. So, you get 9 by 0.45 into 0.39. So, that gives you the value for your Kc. Okay? And you get your Kc value as 51.28. Followed? So this is how you get your value for Kc. So it was a simple question, you could do it easily. All of you should do it. Okay. Now next question, 2 moles of PCl5 are heated to 327 degrees centigrade in a closed 2 liter vessel. Volume is given here, vessel volume is given to you 2 liter. When equilibrium was achieved, PCl5 was found to be 40% dissociated. So dissociated into PCl3 and Cl2. You have to calculate Kc and Kp. First write the equation. Decomposition of PCl5 is taking place into PCl3 plus Cl2. This is your balanced equation. तो initially कितना मोल से शुरू होता है? 2 moles. Okay. PCl5 was taken 2 moles. So initially 2 moles, ठीक है, and PCl5 and Cl2 is 0. Now it is given that at equilibrium 40% of PCl5 dissociated. मतलब यूज अप हो गया है. सो देयरफॉर 40/100 इंटू 0 इंटू 2, इतना 2 मोल्स था ना, 2 मोल्स का 40% कितना होता है? 4 इंटू 2 8, दैट मीन्स 0.8 मोल. सो एट इक्विलिब्रियम, अब इनिशियली 2 मोल्स था ना, तो एट इक्विलिब्रियम व्हाट इज द अमाउंट ऑफ PCl5? 2 में से 0.8 मोल्स निकल गया, डिसोसिएट हो गया, और यहाँ पे कितना बना? 0.8 एंड 0.8 मोल्स बना. सो दिस इज 1.2 मोल्स. सो एट इक्विलिब्रियम PCl5 is 1.2 moles and PCl3 and PCl2 it is 0.8 and 0.8 moles. Okay. Equilibrium में है, at equilibrium state you can write Kc. Kc will be what? PCl3 concentration into Cl2 concentration upon PCl5 concentration. ऐसा ही होगा ना? Okay. Now PCl3, PCl2 it is equal to 0.8 into 0.8. One more thing very important I have missed out here. What is it you know? Here when we write concentration we cannot put it in terms of moles. Okay, we cannot put it in terms of moles. We have to get it in terms of molarity, that is moles per liter form में आना चाहिए. So first and foremost let us find out the concentrations of PCl5. What is PCl5 concentration? It is 0.8 upon volume दिया है हमें 2 liters. Okay, so that will be equal to 0.4 moles per liter. Got it? Similarly PCl3 कैसा होगा? It is PCl5 is 1.2. Okay, so it is 1.2 not 0.8. It is 1.2 divided by 2, that is 0.6 moles per liter हो गया. PCl3 is 0.8 by 2 which is equal to 0.4 moles per liter. Also Cl2 it is 0.8 by 2 which is equal to 0.4 moles per liter. Now you can substitute in this equation. Kc is equal to, are you following or not? Okay. So now you can write Kc is equal to 0.4 into 0.4 upon 0.6 and see what answer you are obtaining. So here you get it as 0.267. Kc value you get it as 0.267. Now we have to find out one more quantity, that is Kp भी find करने बोला है. So how will you find Kp? I am doing it here. Okay, I am just doing it here. Kp का value, because Kc you get 0.267. Kc is related to Kp in this manner. Kp is equals to Kc into RT raised to delta Ng. अब डेल्टा Ng इसमें क्या हो जाएगा? 2 minus 1 1 हो जाएगा. So delta Ng it is equal to 1. Okay. So Kp and Kc related this way, delta Ng you get it as 1. So what is Kp? Kp is equals to 0.267 into R क्या है? R हमारा 0.8 0.0821. If we are taking it in terms of, here volume is given in terms of liter and pressure either in bar or in atmosphere you can take. If atmosphere में है तो 0.0821 into 600. Okay, so multiplying this you should get the value for your Kp. So what is your Kp here? Kp should be 13.15 atmosphere. Your answer is 13.15 atmosphere. अगर तुमने यहाँ पे 0.0833 लिया होता तो बार में आ जाएगा आंसर. ओके, सो दिस हाउ यू शुड सॉल्व इट. नाउ लेट अस सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन. What is it written? The value of Kp for the reaction CO2 plus C in equilibrium with 2CO. Carbon dioxide reacts with graphite to give you carbon monoxide. Okay, Kp value is given as 3 at 1000 Kelvin. Initially partial pressure of CO2, it is equal to 0.48 bar. And partial pressure of CO, it is equal to 0 bar, and pure graphite is also present along with it, but that is a solid, so we won't consider it. Calculate equilibrium partial pressures of CO and CO2. So equilibrium partial pressures पूछा है. Initial partial pressure is given to you as 0.48 bar for CO2. So if you write the equation again, CO2 plus C which is solid in state, in equilibrium it will give you what? 2CO gaseous. Okay. Now initial partial pressure of CO2, it is given as 0.48 bar. Okay. The partial pressure of CO2 will be 0. Then you have at equilibrium. So at equilibrium, let the pressure decrease by P amount, small letter P. Let the pressure of CO2 gas decrease by P amount. It has been used, no? It has been used to convert CO2 is being used or is reacting with C to give you CO. So its pressure will decrease. So let it be P amount से decrease होता है. So at equilibrium what will happen? 0.48 में से P amount of the gas has been used up, or the pressure has decreased by the amount small letter P. So left out कितना है? It will be only 0.48 minus P bar, and here it will be P, but stoichiometric coefficient 2 है तो 2P. You should write it as 2P amount of carbon monoxide is being formed at equilibrium. So at equilibrium put Kp. Kp will be equal to what? Partial pressure of the product. Product क्या है? CO. So partial pressure of the product CO raised to the stoichiometric coefficient upon partial pressure of the reactant, which is CO2. Should we take this? No, that is a solid substance. So it is, for that we cannot put the partial pressure. So you have Kp is equal to this. Okay. Now substitute the value. Kp will be equal to, what is the partial pressure of CO at equilibrium? It is 2P. Okay. So 2P whole square हो जाएगा upon what is the equilibrium partial pressure of CO2? It will be 0.48 minus P. Okay. 0.48 minus P. Kp value it is given to you. How much is it? 3. So substitute that value. 3 will be equal to, ये हो जाएगा तुम्हारा 4P square अपॉन 0.48 माइनस P हो जाएगा. ठीक है. अब मल्टीप्लाई इट हियर, सो यू गेट 4P square is equals to 0.48 into 3 minus 3P. 8 3s are 24, 2, 4 3s are 12, 13, 14, 1. So 1.44 4P square minus 3P. इस तरह से इक्वेशन, एक क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन यू हैव ऑब्टेन्ड. सो पुट द quadratic equation and try to solve the quadratic equation which will give you the value for small letter p. Then you can find the equilibrium concentration. वही पूछा है ना, calculate equilibrium partial pressures. So you have 4p square minus इधर आ जाएगा तो 3p प्लस हो जाएगा minus 1.44 equal to 0. What is your A here? A is 4, B is 3, C is minus 1.44. X is equal to what? Minus B plus or minus under root of B square minus 4AC by 2A. We can neglect the, if a negative value is coming, that you should neglect it. So X is equal to minus B. B क्या है हमारा? 3 है. Okay. Plus or minus under root of b square, that is 9 minus 4, A is 4 and C is minus 1.44, okay, upon 2 into 4. So you get X is equal to minus 3 plus under root of 9 minus 4 into 4 16, ये दोनों माइनस माइनस प्लस हो जाएगा. सो 16 इंटू 1.44 करना है तुम्हें. ओके, 1.44 इंटू 16, दैट इज 1 4 जा 1 4 जा 1 1 सा 6 4 जा 24 2 6 4 जा 24 25 26 2 6 1 सा 6 8. So you get 4 0 3 2. Okay. So you have 23.04, 23.04 by 2 into A is so 8. So doing the calculation, you can find out, add it, take the square root and get the value for the equation which is given, where you will get the X value as, you will get it as 0.33 atmosphere, that is P is equal to 0.33 atmosphere. Now you can calculate equilibrium concentrations of CO2 and CO. Okay. So what is equilibrium concentration? Equilibrium concentration या equilibrium in the, ये यहाँ पे हम concentration word use नहीं करेंगे, यहाँ word use करेंगे partial pressure. So equilibrium partial pressure. Okay, equilibrium partial pressure of CO2 will be equal to what? 0.48 minus 0.33 equal to जो value आता है वो. Okay, and what is equilibrium concentration of CO? So equilibrium partial pressure, concentration हम pressure में फाइंड आउट कर रहे हैं, इसीलिए पार्शियल प्रेशर बोल रहे हैं. इक्विलिब्रियम पार्शियल प्रेशर ऑफ CO will be equal to 2 times 0.33 which is equal to 0.66 atmosphere. Okay, यहाँ पे 8 minus 3 will be 5 and 4 minus 3 will be 1, so 0.15. So you get the partial pressure of CO2 as 0.15 bar and here you will get 0.66 bar. Got it everyone? Okay. So this is how you should be solving the question. I hope it is clear. Okay. Copy it. Now let us solve these questions. What is it? The value of Kc for the reaction 2A in equilibrium with B plus C is 2 into 10 power minus 3. You are asked to find in which direction the reaction will proceed if at a given time the composition of the reaction mixture is A equal to B, मतलब इन तीनों का concentration it comes out to be 3 into 10 power minus 4 molar. So reaction proceed किस direction को होता है वो हमें किस तरह से find कर सकते हैं? Using the relation between QC and KC. So QC and KC, अब ये जो quantity दिया हुआ है that is the concentration of A, B and C, this is at any time, not at equilibrium, it is at a time other than the equilibrium. So this only is what we call, from here only we can get the value for QC. QC will be equal to what? Concentration of B into concentration of C upon concentration of A raised to their stoichiometric coefficients. So QC is equal to B into C upon A square. अब B, C और A का concentration at any time other than the equilibrium, it is given as 3 into 10 power minus 4. So you get your QC equal to 3 into 3 by 3 square into 10 power minus 8 हो जाएगा. यहाँ पे भी you will have into 10 power minus 8. Okay. So here actually you will get QC value equal to 1. Also Kc value is given to you, isn't it? Kc value कितना दिया हुआ है? The value of Kc for the reaction is given as 2 into 10 power minus 3. Now which is more? Qc is more or Kc is more? Since it is 10 power minus 3, it means what? It is 0.002, isn't it? So Kc, it is less than Qc, or we can say Qc is more than Kc. So Qc more than Kc है, so it will try to reduce itself. Qc will try to reduce itself, and when it is trying to reduce itself, then it will go back in the backward direction. Previous lecture we have learnt that how you can relate Qc and Kc and get find out whether the reaction will proceed in forward direction or reverse direction. So we had seen that if Qc was greater than Kc, then Qc will try to reduce itself so that it can become equal to Kc, and this happens when the reaction is moving in the backward direction. Okay. So you can write here, therefore reaction will proceed in backward direction. Reaction will proceed in backward direction. I hope it is clear. Okay. So that you can do. Now come to this question. AB2 dissociates as AB2 in equilibrium with AB plus B, all in the gaseous form. Okay. So if initial pressure is 500 millimeter of Hg and the total pressure at equilibrium, okay, and total pressure at equilibrium is 700 millimeter of Hg, calculate Kp for the reaction. So first let us write the reaction. AB2, it is in equilibrium with AB plus B. This is your equation. Is it balanced? It is balanced. Okay. Now initial pressure हमें दिया है. Initial partial pressure is given as 500 mm. Okay. So this is 500 mm of Hg. ये दोनों तो zero होगा because there are no products in the initial state. Now at equilibrium, what will be the situation? Let the pressure reduce by a small amount P. तो क्या हो जाएगा? 500 माइनस स्मॉल लेटर p, उतना का रिडक्शन हो गया है. मतलब रेस्ट ऑफ द व्हाट इज द लेफ्ट आउट कॉन्सेंट्रेशन? इट विल बी 500 माइनस p mm, और यहाँ पे p mm and p mm, that is millimeter of Hg. So at equilibrium these are the concentration. ठीक है. Now it is given that at equilibrium the total pressure, it is equal to 700 mm of Hg. इसका क्या मतलब होता है? This reaction actually it is carried out in a closed vessel only, no? So initially AB2 हमने 500 millimeter of Hg लिया, मतलब उसका प्रेशर, पार्शियल प्रेशर 500 millimeters of Hg था. इन दोनों, ये दोनों गैस तो बने ही नहीं है. आफ्टर सम टाइम व्हेन द इक्विलिब्रियम हैज अटेन्ड, P इसका रिडक्शन हो गया ना, दिस AB2 हैज, उसका प्रेशर इज रिड्यूस्ड बाय P अमाउंट, सो 500 माइनस P हो जाएगा, दैट इज द पार्शियल प्रेशर एट इक्विलिब्रियम फॉर AB2. And what is the partial pressure of AB? It will be P, and B will also be P, that much amount will be formed. So this is the pressures of the reactants and the products at equilibrium, but in the question it is given that at equilibrium the total pressure. अब ये एक reaction vessel में हो रहा है, तो total pressure of that vessel is 700 millimeter. So we can write it this way, no? So therefore we can write 500 minus P. टोटल प्रेशर तो इन्हीं से पता चलेगा ना, ये इसका भी प्रेशर है, AB2 का भी प्रेशर है, AB का भी प्रेशर है और B का भी प्रेशर है. सो टुगेदर इट विल गिव यू विच इज इक्वल टू 700 टोटल प्रेशर है एट इक्विलिब्रियम. सो इफ यू जस्ट ओपन द ब्रैकेट यू विल गेट 500 माइनस P प्लस P इक्वल टू 700, कैंसिल आउट हो जाएगा. सो यू गेट 500 प्लस P, इट इज इक्वल टू 700 and P will be equal to 200 millimeter of Hg. So you got the value for P. Now you are asked to calculate Kp for the reaction. So Kp you can calculate using the equation. Kp will be equal to what? Partial pressure of AB into partial pressure of B upon partial pressure of AB2. ठीक है. So at equilibrium what is the partial pressure? Here 500 minus P है, हमारे पास P का वैल्यू आ गया 200. So it will be PAB का P है, P का वैल्यू हमारे पास है that is 200 into 200 upon PAB will be 500 minus P. Okay, so that is 300. So you get your Kp value in this manner. This becomes 400 by 3, that is 3 ones are 3, 1 is remaining, 3 3s are 9, again 1 is remaining, so 3 3s are 9, 0.33 आएगा. So you have your Kp, it is equal to this many atmosphere. I hope it is clear. Okay, so you get your Kp value equal to 133.33. एटमॉस्फेयर नहीं होगा, मिलीमीटर होगा, क्योंकि वी हैव टेकन इट इन टर्म्स ऑफ मिलीमीटर नॉट एटमॉस्फेयर. ओके, सो यू गेट योर Kp वैल्यू 133.33. होप इट इज़ क्लियर. ओके, अब Kp मिल गया है तो हम Kc भी फाइंड कर सकते हैं यूजिंग द रिलेशन Kc विल बी इक्वल टू Kp बाय RT रेज टू डेल्टा Ng. So you can use that and find the value for Kc also. Now look at this question. What does it say? 13.8 gram of N2O4 was placed in 1 liter vessel at 400 Kelvin and it was allowed to attain equilibrium. Total pressure at equilibrium was found to be 9.18 bar. Calculate Kc, Kp and partial pressure at equilibrium. So the equation, it is N2O4 is allowed to attain equilibrium to give 2NO2. This is your reaction. Okay. अब N2O4 का number of moles भी हमें नहीं दिया है and also no molarity is also not given to you. So first and foremost you will find the what is the here Kp is asked, मतलब हमें and also total pressure is given to you. So then you are supposed to get the partial pressure of N2O4. To get the partial pressure of N2O4, first let us find out the number of moles of N2O4. Number of moles of N2O4, to find out that we have to have the molecular mass of N2O4, that is 2 into 14 plus 4 into 16. Okay, 14 2s are 28, 16 4s are 64. So 8 plus 4 12, 7 8 9. So 92 gram पर मोल होता है द मॉलिक्यूलर मास ऑफ N2O4. ये नहीं फाइंड करना है, वी हैव टू फाइंड व्हाट इज द पार्शियल प्रेशर. RT रिलेशन वी विल फाइंड आउट द प्रेशर. ओके, प्रेशर विल बी इक्वल टू व्हाट, N by V RT. नंबर ऑफ मोल्स हमने it is this is the molecular mass, we will find out the number of moles. Number of moles, how do we find? It is weight upon molecular weight. So weight is what, 13.8 upon molecular weight we got it as 92. Okay, into what is the volume given, 1 liter है, मतलब upon 1 हो जाएगा. R is to be taken in terms of 0.083 क्योंकि we are given it in terms of bar, so 0.083 into temperature. Temperature is also if it is not given then you should be taking it as 298 Kelvin. It is given as 400 Kelvin, so we will take it as 400. So you get your partial pressure of N2O4. Initial pressure तो हमें पता होना ही चाहिए ना. So a partial pressure of N2O4, it comes out to be 4.98 bar. It comes out as 4.98 bar. Understood this? Followed now? First we find the molecular mass, then using this formula PV is equal to nRT, we will get the partial pressure because we want the initial pressure of N2O4. Okay. So now we will start with, so initial pressure will be 4.98 bar. जबकि यहाँ it should be equal to 0. Then at equilibrium what is the situation? Some amount of pressure decreases. So 4.98 minus small letter p ले लेते हैं हम. That much amount is decreased. So remaining will be 4.98 minus p, and here it will be 2p. That much amount of pressure will be generated because of the production of NO2. So you have this way, ठीक है. But at equilibrium, total pressure it is given as 9.15 bar. In the question itself it is given that at equilibrium the total pressure generated is 9.15 bar. So therefore what is the total pressure? It is 4.98 minus p plus 2p which comes out to be equal to 9.15. Total इतना pressure है ना equilibrium में. At equilibrium you have total pressure as 4.98 minus p plus the 2p. So you have 4.98 plus p हो जाएगा equal to 9.15. So p will be equal to 9.15 minus 4.98 which is equal to, it comes out to be 4.17 bar. Now what is our question? To calculate Kp. So Kp how can we express? So Kp will be equal to partial pressure of NO2 raised to 2 by partial pressure of N2O4. इसी तरह से होगा ना according to this equation. Okay. So Kp will be equal to NO2 partial pressure at equilibrium, it is 2p. Okay. So 2p square हो जाएगा upon p already we have obtained 4.17 or partial pressure of N2O4, it will be 4.98 minus p. Okay. So that is 4.98 minus p. P value is, first I will write as p. Okay. Then I can put the values 2 into 4.17 the whole square upon 4.98 minus 4.17. That gives your Kp this way. Okay. So 7 2s are 14, 2 1s are 2, 3 and 4 2s are 8 upon, so 8 minus 7 is 1, 9 minus 1 is 8, so 0.81. Together your Kp value should come out as, your value of Kp should come out as 85.8 87, okay, not 4, it's 87, 85.87. So everyone should get your Kp value as 85.87. Now Kp to mil gaya, you are asked to find Kc. So Kc is what? Kp upon RT raised to delta Ng. Now delta Ng here it will be 2 minus 1, okay. Ng will be equal to Np minus Nr, which is equal to 2 minus 1, which is equal to 1. So you get your delta Ng as 1. So that is Kc will be equal to Kp 85.87 upon R 0.083 into temperature 400 दिया हुआ है, okay. So that gives your Kc value, जो value आता है वो, and equilibrium pressures पूछा है, तो partial pressures at it will be 2 into, or we can say partial pressure of NO2 will be equal to 2 times P, which is equal to 2 times 4.17, okay, that is 8.34 bar, okay, and P of N2O4 at equilibrium it will be it was how much, 4.98, no. So 4.98 minus your value for P, which came out to be 4.17, which is equal to 0.81. So all the values you have got Kc, you have got Kp, Kc you find out, okay, multiply and get the answer. And the P value of NO2, partial pressure of NO2 at equilibrium and partial pressure of N2O4 at equilibrium also you have got. Okay? So this is how you should solve the question. Okay, so we have solved few questions. So also exercise you can go through. There will be questions based on whatever we have done today. So you can try it out for your homework today, and next time we will take with the next topic. Okay, thank you.